Okay everyone, today we will discuss question number 1 from the chapter review of Hease book. This question will be about calculus. We have 3 questions from question 1. We have A, B and C. If you want to try it first, you can just skip this video. Okay, let's discuss this question one by one. Let's take question A first. Copy and then bring it down. Paste it here. So the first question is, we have to find the gradient of the curve y equals with 3 over 2x plus 4x squared at the point of 4, 70. So as you know, the gradient is the first derivative. So in this case, we have to derive the first the equation over here, the first derivative of that. So we will have y accent equals with 3 over 2 plus 8x. So that will be the derivative. Now we have to find the gradient at the point, the x is 4, so we just need to input the x 4. So the gradient, we just write m, the gradient equals with 3 over 2 plus 8 times 4, because once again the point is 4, the x is 4. We just use the x for this case, yeah. So we will end up with m equals with 3 over 2 is 1.5 plus 32. So m is equals with 33.5. So that's the first one. Okay, that's the A. Let's move on to B. Let me take the question. Copy. Bring it down here. So B. We have to find the points on the curve fx equals with 4x to the power of 5 over 4 minus 80x minus 8 where the gradient is 0. So once again, it talk about gradient. The gradient 0 means we have to find the gradient function of this. The first derivative of that, f accent x equals with 5 over 4 times 4. You know what? Let's just use the dot times 4 x to the power of 5 over 4 minus, because this the denominator is 4, we will just minus 4 over 4, it's minus 1, yeah, minus 80 x, the x is gone. So let's make it a little bit better for us. So f accent x equals with 5 over 4 times 4 is 5, x to the power of 1 over 4 minus 80. Now, where the gradient is 0, remember f accent x is the gradient, so this one is 0. 0 equals with 5x to the power of 1 over 4 minus 80. We subtract both, we add both of them by 80, both of the sides, so we will have 80 equals with 5x to the power of 1 over 4. Let me make another line here. We bring it down there. So we divide both of them by 5. 80 divided by 5 is 16. So we have 16 equals with x to the power of 1 over 4. Now we have to the power of 1 over 4 over there. Let's power this by 4, both of them. So it will cancel each other. The 1 over 4 again. So 16 to the power of 4 is, so we have 16 to the power of 4 is 65,536. 536 is equals with x. So this is our x. Because the question is find the point, we have to find the y coordinate. We only get the x coordinate. Just need to input the x 65,536 into the original equation here. Fx equals blah blah blah. So f 65,536 is equals with, just input the x, this one, just change the x over here into 65,536. Input it in your calculator. It will end up with, it's quite a lot, negative 1,048,584. So the point will be x comma y 65536 comma negative 1048584. This one should be the answer for B. Let's mark this. Okay, move on to question C. Question number C. For C, okay, we copy this, paste this. So for C, given that R equals with 6 plus 10t minus 7t squared, find the rate of change of R with respect to t at the instant when t equals with 5. So rate of change is basically the first derivative. The first derivative of R in respect to t. So we can write down as dr over dt. So derivative of R in respect to t equals with derivative of this 6 becomes 0, 10t become 10, negative 7t squared become 2 times 7 is negative 14t. So that's the first derivative. Okay, and then when the t is equals to 5, that is the rate of change that we want to find out. So the rate of change will be, when t is equals to 5, just input t equals to 5, 10 minus 14 times 5. So we will end up with 10 minus 70 or negative 60. So that's it. That's a negative 60. Sorry, that's it. So that's the explanation for the first question. If you have any question, just email me at sinaumaths@gmail.com. Thank you.